What's up, fellow monkeys? So, I almost just said, welcome back to another video, but I am new. So, if you're watching this video, take your phone or whatever you have, click on just pretend this is the phone, click on me, and on top it just says subscribe for a banana, right? If you subscribe, you'll get a banana, because every monkey wants a banana. Like me, I want this banana, but someone ate it, so I can't have it. I'm mad. But today we're just gonna mess around in gorilla tag and stuff. I'm decent, I'm okay. I call myself good, but it's up to you. So, let's go.
We're able to change colors into magma and other vibrant colors. I'm pretty sure we're smart enough to have a freaking iPhone. You're right. And we have a banana watch if we get the mod, you know. And I'm pretty sure we have a
5.
You stole my kill.
Hey, I'm new to the game. I just got
6.
I just jumped out of that big like platform area, the cliff. I saw a monkey. I saw a monkey over here on top. I saw a monkey over here on top. Wait, how'd they do that? What are they jumping on? Who's the new gorilla?
Come here, Mr. Legs.
I hit something. Got him.
Mr. Legs.
The new guy?
Yo, yeah.
Is actually not
Yo, I know. There's always a fake as a second nerd. Just to piss people off. I just wasted my time trying to teach someone that was already good. I want to get up there.
Make the title of the video.
Oh frick, I suck.
And fake noob. I'm legitimately.
Hi, back in the video.
I'm almost done with it, so yeah.
Hello, Blue Monkey.
What's your YouTube channel?
How do you not have a name? My name is Waterwolf.
Oh, I'm creating a YouTube video too right now.
Lava monkeys.
I'm new.
Lava boy.
Put me into thumbnail for sure, right?
For sure? Okay, yeah. Okay, let me just.
Who said the new? Hey, did you guys say you're new? Hey, did you guys say you're new?
You got did you guys say you're new? No, we didn't say we're new.
Oh, hi,
We
Blue.
didn't say we're new. No, you got look
Oh frick.
That's not nice. That's not mean. This is amazing, man. How did I miss that jump? Waterwolf. Wait, how do you do that? What the? No,
I know how to get up. I'm new, but I know how to get up.
I know how to get up, but that weird thing that he just did was weird.
Well,
There's an easy way to get up, but hey man, I'm new. You don't know, you better give me some tomatoes. I don't know who he is. Come here, Blue.
oh
Come
frick.
I'm not here. You're in the tunnel.
Oh my god.
No, man, you're not new, bro. You're not new, man.
Yes, I am new. What do you mean? I can't even
You're
go
not
that.
new.
Oh, how am I just not tagging, right? I think I can get white, maybe.
Blue. I just had
That's white.
and just had a blue and black.
You know that ain't nice to someone new. I said that ain't nice to someone new.
If you're new,
Come on, white. I'm new. This isn't nice to teach to someone new.
Oh my god. I can't breathe.
You're about to fall.
Ooh. Ow.
then I am.
Come on. I'm new.
Oh, I hit my knee with my
Why do
controller.
you not think I'm new?
Ow. Really, Black?
I am
Ow, I hit my knee.
just uninstall and reinstall the game. I'm new.
You're not new from reinstalling the
Yo,
game.
dude.
Oh my god.
You have mocos. No, never mind. You can have those tamales, dude. You keep those tamales.
Oh my god,
can't breathe. God. Oh, frick. I suck.
I'm new though, guys.
You're not new.
No, you're not. You're not new. Jet Black. Wait,
He's not new. Hello, Mr. Black and White.
new though.
Hello, Blue.
Holy. I want to follow this.
Oh my God, I'm out of breath.
If you're new, I'm Jack Black.
Dude.
Wait, Blue, didn't you say you had a YouTube channel?
Hey, what mod is that? What mod is that?
It's just the Banana OS computer.
Okay. Banana OS? Isn't that the new computer from iOS?
Yeah.
No, it's mods for Grow Attack.
It's mods.
Yeah.
No, it's mods.
I don't have the Steam version, so I can't get mods.
But you can't use them in a private, and you can't use them in a public.
I'm new.
You're not
And
new.
I'm Jack Black.
Stop saying you're new. You're not new, man.
You're more than a noob.
He's saying he's new because he uninstalled the game and reinstalled it.
Yeah, man.
Oh, hi, love monkey.
See you later. Wait. Oh frick! I missed the jump. See you later, monkeys.
Black Yoshi. Not new.
Woo! Oh,
Holy shit, man.
you're not new, kid.
You're not new. You're not new. You're not new. You're not new. You're not new.
You're not new. I don't want any of tamales.
I got good.
But dude, I'm new. It's okay. No, you're not. What color are you? Hey, white. I'm new.
No, you're not.
You're new. No, I'm saying no. Wait, no.
Oh, hi, Lava.
Follow me. If you're the new.
We don't. It doesn't have to end like this. It does have to end like this.
I can go on it. Watch. He's not new. Oh, no, he's not new. He's not new. He's not new. I am new. He's not new. He's not new. Oh, God. Watch, I couldn't even do anything. Stop breathing so hard, man.
Well, sorry, I was just getting jumped.
So trying. When did you get the game? You're literally doing it with one hand. But you can't. But you're doing it with
You're going way too try hard, man. Way too try hard. He's not even going try hard. Can someone teach me how to play?
I can't do
Oh, no.
it.
Let me tag you all.
I'm taking a break so you can tag me. I'm just.
Yeah, you can.
Yo, Nisha, come out.
What the heck? I didn't even mean to tag you, man. Dude.
Yeah, I'm new.
Yeah, so
It doesn't seem like you're new.
Yes, but I'm new.
Hey, dude, monkey, I'm new. I didn't mean to tag. He just ran into me. And he's not even new. He just ran, man.
I see that.
I'm not a monkey. I'm new. Why are you trying to...
Come here, Orange. Oh, frick. Got him. Come here, Mr. Legs.
Bro,
Come here.
you got to the dude.
He's not new. He's not new, man.
God.
Everybody knew that.
You're not even Mexican.
You're not even new, man. This is not even new. You know how I know that? Mate, he's getting sad because his video's going long and he's not getting the attention.
Bro,
You're trash.
to me. Bro, shut up, wait, go kill yourself, kid. Don't even never tell me I'm trash.
What's your color code?
You can even barely even walk on me.
391. Where's white? Hello, lava monkey. Just walk past. Hey, yo, who's the person that said that? No, the person that said that. Here's the tamales.
Got him.
Tamales, not tamales.
It's tamales.
That's what I'm saying, you're tamales.
And I'm Mexican. I'm also Mexican and I got him.
You got mocos. You got mocos, dude. Me too.
Hey, White, you're so trash. Don't ever tell me that I'm trash.
You are trash. You can barely even wall climb.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Go kill yourself, bitch. You're like 7 years old, and I could have wall climbed. I don't want to, dumbass.
Yeah, dude. That was me.
I could wall climb, dumbass. Look at this shit.
You've probably been staying inside for a long
Fucking
time.
dumbass.
Subway.
Subway.
I've been playing Subway. This game is gonna turn people into sociopaths. Someone's gonna jump off the edge.
I'm just gonna get away from him.
I know, I've been playing about sociopaths. Hey, Black Monkey. Great, how do you do that? You don't have to come out and do his finger.
What the?
Run, dude! You want to come out too? You robbed my tamale.
Yeah, you're gonna leave? You're gonna leave, you dumbass bitch? You're gonna leave? Fuck you.
Oh no, I am
Fuck you, bitch. Suck my dick, bitch. You're like 7 years old. I fucked your mom last night,
When
bitch.
I mean everyone, I mean just that one guy.
Don't know what happened. Don't mind him. I had to leave because of him, but yes, I did try too hard. I was trying, but I'm tired, so I'm gonna end the video. Well, see you guys later and have a nice day.